Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Wednesday, August the 14th, 2019. The time is 3 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of CHK. This is a stock, Chesapeake Energy, 60 minutes chart here. This company does produce energy related commodities like oil and also natural gas, and we can see right here that we are currently in the process of doing a wave 4. Alright, doing a wave 4 recovery right here to correct this wave 3, and potentially can reach this 100% extension as a zigzag ABC. And then with the right side still down with the red stem, we are still looking for the downside as far as we stay below 1.87 right here. Okay, now looking at the larger degree here, we can see right here this stock has been really still tremendously bearish as of now. I mean, the momentum still not yet finished to the downside. If you take a look at the daily chart, you will see how much pressure it has to the downside. Right, let me erase everything here. So you can see how much pressure it has on the downside still. And if you take a look at the 4-hour chart, we are looks like from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then still possible to do one more push lower right here right now. So that's why we're still looking for any type of rally to fail. Okay, in the sequence of 3, 7, 11 swing for the downside, this is the next area where the rally is expected to fail. Now separately, if you look at the oil and also natural gas, you will see that they too currently have incomplete sequence on the downside, which is kind of confirming the idea, the possibility that CHK likely still see another leg lower as well from where we are right now. Alright, so this is the view here to fail at 1.58 approximately against 1.87 for the downside within the wave 5. Alright, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. And also we currently have 14 days free trial. If you have not tried our service before, feel free to try our service free, okay, for 14 days. And see you guys again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.